What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. Did you go out today? Did you go out today? Yes, I went to the market. Yes, I went to the market. Are you busy tonight? Are you busy tonight? No, I am free. No, I am free. What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow? I am visiting my relatives. I am visiting my relatives. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? Of course I can. Of course I can. Where do you study? Where do you study? I study at a government college. I study at a government college. Do you like online classes? Do you like online classes? Yes, they are useful. Yes, they are useful. What did you learn today? What did you learn today? I learned new English words. I learned new English words. Are you ready for the test? Are you ready for the test? Yes, I have prepared well. Yes, I have prepared well. Who cooked the food? Who cooked the food? My mother cooked it. My mother cooked it. Do you know how to drive? Do you know how to drive? Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive. Are you going home now? Are you going home now? Yes, it's getting late. Yes, it's getting late. What kind of books do you read? What kind of books do you read? I read storybooks and novels. I read storybooks and novels. Do you live alone? Do you live alone? No, I live with my family. No, I live with my family. How often do you study English? How often do you study English? I study every day. I study every day. What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? I sleep at 11 pm. I sleep at 11 pm. Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold? Yes, it's freezing today. Yes, it's freezing today. Did you enjoy the show? Did you enjoy the show? Yes, it was amazing. Yes, it was amazing. Can I call you later? Can I call you later? Yes, no problem. Yes, no problem. What's your favorite city? What's your favorite city? My favorite city is Cox's Bazar. My favorite city is Cox's Bazar. Are you studying now? Are you studying now? Yes, I'm doing my homework. Yes, I'm doing my homework. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I want to eat noodles. I want to eat noodles. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. Yes, I love it. Who is your favorite teacher? Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman. My favorite teacher is Mr. Rahman. What's your favorite festival? What's your favorite festival? My favorite festival is Eid. My favorite festival is Eid. Can you lend me some money? Can you lend me some money? Sorry, I don't have any now. Sorry, I don't have any now. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, I need some rest. Yes, I need some rest. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy it. Yes, I enjoy it. What are you listening to? What are you listening to? I am listening to music. I am listening to music. Can you wait for a while? Can you wait for a while? Yes, I can wait. Yes, I can wait. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was nice and relaxing. It was nice and relaxing. Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? I am talking to my friend. I am talking to my friend. Did you go for a walk? Did you go for a walk? Yes, in the evening. Yes, in the evening. What do you usually eat for lunch? What do you usually eat for lunch? I usually eat rice and vegetables. I usually eat rice and vegetables. Are you going by bus? Are you going by bus? No, I will go by rickshaw. No, I will go by rickshaw. Do you like to draw? Do you like to draw? Yes, I like drawing. Yes, I like drawing. Are you using your phone? Are you using your phone? Yes, I am checking messages. Yes, I am checking messages. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? I rest and watch movies. I rest and watch movies. Can I come in? Can I come in? Yes, please come in. Yes, please come in. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m. Did you read the message? Did you read the message? Yes, I read it. Yes, I read it. Who is your favorite player? Who is your favorite player? My favorite player is Messi. My favorite player is Messi. Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What will you do tonight? What will you do tonight? I will watch a movie. I will watch a movie. Can you come here, please? Can you come here, please? Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. Do you have a notebook? Do you have a notebook? Yes, I have one. Yes, I have one. How is the weather today? How is the weather today? It's cloudy and cold. It's cloudy and cold. Who told you this? Who told you this? My sister told me. My sister told me. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you afraid of the dark? No, not really. No, not really. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Are you going there? Are you going there? Yes, I'm going. Yes, I'm going. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am very happy. Yes, I am very happy. Are you free today? Are you free today? Yes, I am free. Yes, I am free.